Hey guys, so this is the solution on the issue or the query about the Elementor button to reference the JavaScript API, which is this, for example, the toggle function, which maximize the chat widget based on the current state. So I have a working problem here or a page. So since it is maximized, and then if I click this one, it minimizes, and then it's on. So for doing that, so we need to make sure two steps. Number one is create the button, and then on the create button, go to, since we can't add a link here, right? Then we need to use the jQuery, the script. So number one is add the ID on the button. Just make sure to remember this one since we need to add this reference in the script. And then number two is to add a script. So we just use the jQuery document ready, and then reference ID for the button, and then use the on method, which has a parameter of click, which is its event, and what is the selector, which is the link. And the third parameter is the function. So we just need to add this one since I already added the plugin for the talk to. So we can call directly this talk to API that toggle. So yeah, that's how it works. So for example, we can have this next example toggle visibility here. So I just add VC visibility, right? And then oops, and then on the ID we need to change the ID as well, like TV for example, toggle visibility. And for the script here, we just copy this one line here, and then add the ID for this second button, and then go to the script, update this one TV, right? And then yeah, just as it just click, and then what the link and the function we need to update this. Just copy the function directly without the window since we already have the Talk to API plugin installed on the website. So copy this one out and then update. All right, and then go to the working site, refresh. So here we have the toggle visibility. Yep, there you go. So right now we have the toggle maximizing, maximize out. So once it minimizes, and then the toggle visibility is to make the chat widget visible and invisible. So right now, as you can see here. All right. So yeah, just to make sure that to remember two steps. First is to add the ID for for the button right here. Go to the advanced and then CSS ID. And the second one is to add this one line of code, and just make sure that to update this ID here on what the button you name the CSS ID. And yeah, you can just leave it as it is, like this one, click, since it is an on method. So we have a parameter click, and we have the event click, and there's this a, which is the selector. And then for the function, don't worry for that, just update this right here, the function where you can go to, where you can find on the developer to talk to slash GSAPI. So yeah, so I think it's all good. I will just send this one code here, and yeah, it's good to go. Refresh. Let me check here again. All right, so visibility. All right, so once it's visible, you can toggle, or you can toggle the maximize and minimize. I think it's all good. All right. Just let me know if you have any questions or if you encounter some issues for this. All right. Thanks.